Here's how to take a screenshot in Davinchi Resolve. Let's open up your Davinchi Resolve app and then find here, for example here, and after that click on color and here click on gallery like this, and after that click on playback and timeline proxy resolution and click full. After that, do right click here and click on grab still. At the top left corner you can do right click and then click on export button. And here write name of your files, for example 1, 2, 3, and here choose where you want to save this screenshot, for example desktop. And click on this drop down menu and click PNG, click export. And as you can see, image is saving. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Davinchi Resolve. See you next time.